My name's Jeff and welcome to my channel. I'm just doing a very quick unboxing of the two new Apple Watch Pride bands for 2020. There's a Apple edition and then there's a Nike edition as well. So as you can see on the back here, Nike's got a nice little message supporting LGBTQ advocacy groups, and there's a little more messaging there as well. The black and the white in the boxes actually look really nice, and they smell good too. You see Apple's got their own little messages there as well, and I really love the gradients and the fonts there. So nice. So first up, opening the Nike Apple Watch edition. The black box is very nice. And it just slides in and out. Little instructions, no one cares about those. Now inside it's got some instructions of how to put the watch strap on and off. You should know how to do that by now if you're ordering these. And then what I forget is when you order from Apple, instead of the fake ones online, you actually get two sizes, the small and then the large band sizes, so to fit whatever size wrist you've got. There you go, Pride 2020, very grey on the back. The colours on the front really pop, they look really nice. Get the second part there, the actual bit that straps on, grey on the back, nice little red Nike logo. You can see the yellow, the orange and the pink, or is it red? I don't know my LGBT colours very well. So there you go, very subtle. The white's really nice. And then onto the Apple edition. Nice little slide sticker to peel off to open. Again, more instructions no one cares about. And then very colourful opening packet. How to take them on and off. And then bam, in your face. Look at those colours. They are very bright. And yes, the lines aren't perfect. So if you're OCD, that might annoy you. It's a lot of wrist strap there. They look great, feels great. So just lining them all up here. Got the Apple, the Nike. I've got a fake 2019 version and then a 2018 Pride edition as well, which is not as white as it could be. As you can see, I've worn it a fair bit. This is a fake one, just so you can see the difference. Time to try out the straps. And the straps slide on pretty easily, if you do it the right way. Sometimes I get it wrong. The band with the watch face looks great. I really love how it animates. It's very cool. So from a distance, the lines might not be perfect, but I don't think it should bother most people. And I forget the premium feel of the Apple Watch straps. Like, I buy a lot of the knockoff ones from eBay and you can really feel the difference in the quality, even if in these rubbery sport band ones, if I can get it on right. Looks great with the always on display. Love the way it bounces when you turn your wrist. I thought I couldn't see myself wearing this one out in public too much, but I think I will. I don't care. There's my dogs. They slide off a lot better than the knockoff ones too, of course. And now let's try out the Nike edition. Would look great if I had a ceramic white watch. But I don't have that, just the normal black, and that's fine. Fits nice and snugly on my arm. And the Pride face doesn't quite match with the Nike dots, but we can mix that up. The analog edition, I think it's pretty cool. I really like it, but again, not a huge fan of analog time. I really like having the complications on, so I'll mix it up. I don't have the Nike exclusive watch face. I don't have the Nike watch, but I feel like the Meridian watch face, I think, suits it. Suits the Nike Sport Band pretty well with all the circles and dots everywhere. So there you have it, the Apple Pride 2020 Sport Bands. They feel great and they look really nice, better than I expected. And filming by myself here, of course, so it's a bit hard to do any glamour shots, but wearing it from a distance, it's pretty subtle. You can't really tell unless you're in the know. And I feel like the Nike one looks amazing. I think it's probably very cool. Not too flashy. And the Pride edition, it's loud, but then, you know, most of us LGBTQI plus people are, so we shouldn't have a problem wearing that out in public. And I feel like the always on display of the Apple Watch 5, man, it syncs up really well. One seamless band on your arm. Looks very cool. And it looks pretty close to the promo shots. Pretty happy with it. You can see all the colors there. Looks really good. And of course the Apple one, very strong, very loud. Could be very you. Hey, thanks so much for watching me do this unboxing and quick review. I normally eat food, and I don't really unbox things, but if you feel like seeing more of these, stick around and let me know how I did. Thanks for watching.